All right. Good morning, good afternoon, smart investors, beautiful people all over the world. This is Emmanuel, your real estate consultant. So, I want to give you the latest update on the Treasure Hilltop Estate, Alagbado. If you are well, for the past 1 year, the past close to 1 year, all the work was suspended because of the issue of documents, the estate layout and other documents. But now, thank God, we were able to rectify all those issues. So now we have resumed back to site. We have resumed fully to site, especially at the extension, because we have so many outstanding. We have so many deficits on ground. So this is the latest work coming up. These are the three bedroom duplex